Welcome to this Rulefinder tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to the site. Now, if you've not already done so, the place to start is to create yourself a free account. We do this by clicking Sign Up at the top right-hand corner. And then in the screen that pops up, enter your details and choose yourself a password. While you're at it, you may as well choose the industry of interest to you. We now have a free account and can see the documents available, but we can't actually access those documents until we've bought ourselves a license. It's time to scroll up to the top menu and click Get Access. Now we find ourselves on the Packages page, but first we have to choose our industry. So at the top, click on the industry that suits you. I'm going to choose the marine industry simply because that has more packages to demonstrate the possibilities. So now we're presented with all the marine packages available to buy. As we scroll down the page, you'll see that we have different panels for different users. So here in the first panel, you'll see we have a package for those interested in dinghies smaller than 6 meters. In the package are a number of groups of documents, each group of a different topic or different document type. And you can see the number of documents that exist in each group. So for example, if we choose the small craft documents and markings, you can see there are 6 documents included. And if we click on it, we can see what those 6 documents are. So for example, this one includes the owner's manual, the craft identification standard, graphical symbols, builder's plates, and so on. You'll notice that there are no systems. And that's because dinghy manufacturers are not interested in electrical systems, fuel systems, engines, and so on. Whereas if we move to the next panel, which is for the manufacturers of inboard engine powercraft, the first topic is marine systems, 23 standards. And if we click on that, we can see this includes bilge pumps, electricals, ventilation, fuel systems, and so on. All the topics that wouldn't be of interest to a dinghy manufacturer. And so, as we scroll down the list, you will see the different panels showing different packages available to different users. Every package is available in 2 forms, 1 month access or 1 year access. Once you've decided on the package that suits you, click on the Get This Package button and you'll arrive in your shopping basket, which displays at the top the package you've chosen to buy. If you wish, you can click on the Continue Shopping button and buy some more packages, but if you're ready, you can click on the Proceed to Checkout button at the bottom. On the next page, we simply need you to enter your billing address. Once you've entered your billing address, click Go to VAT, and next you will find your VAT obligations. Rulefinder has been programmed to know from the country you entered whether or not you're obliged to pay VAT. Once you've reviewed your VAT obligations, click Go to Review. If everything on the review page is as you would like it, then click Go to Payment. Otherwise, go back to VAT. Enter your credit card details in the familiar way and then click Submit Order. You will now receive an email with an invoice and a second email confirming your order and with a button to click to take you to Rulefinder. If you're already logged on to your account, you will now have access to the documents in the package you purchased. To understand how to navigate around the site once you've made a purchase, see the next tutorial about how to use Rulefinder.